Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So in this video I want to talk about this. This is the premium survival kit from the great people at Polymath products. So this is a very modern take on a traditional survival kit. Gone have all the needless items, and packed into this everything that's going to keep you alive, keep you safe and keep you moving if you find yourself in trouble. So before I delve into the kit, I'm just going to give you a couple of quick specifications on it, just so I can get them out of the way and get into the nitty-gritty of this. So the container dimensions are 175mm by 120mm by 60mm, and it weighs 605 grams. Okay, let's get into it now. Okay, so this is how it is presented to you. It comes in a cardboard box. This is basically the packaging. Has some basic kit contents on there, made in UK by Polymath products, and all of the info on there. So opening this up, put that to one side. Here we have the actual survival kit itself. So it is about my hand's size. I'll give you the dimensions earlier so you have got them. It is basically a black mess tin and lid. This is a waterproof container that you can cook and boil water in, but we'll talk more about that later. Really simple and strong design, and as I say, this is waterproof. So to open, you simply push these over, and here we go. Okay, so straight off the bat we have the information booklet. So this provides some useful information on what to do if you find yourself in a survival situation. They have used STOP, so stop, think, observe and plan, and it gives you some information about that. Flipping it over, we have a kit contents list. I will freeze frame that if you want to. Okay, and also it has information on how to use each individual part of the kit. So it basically breaks everything down, so if you are panicking, then you can see how each piece is used and how it works. So there's loads of information on there, so that's really cool. Okay, put that to one side and we'll get into the nitty gritty. So here is a quick look from the top. As you can see, every single inch of space has been used and it is jam-packed with useful equipment. So, what's inside? Okay, so first up we have the all-weather emergency bag. So this is basically a reflective mylar blanket which can be used as a survival bag. So if you don't have a sleeping bag, or you need to keep someone nice and warm until help arrives, this is a vital piece of kit. Packs up really small, but extends out into a full-size bag which you can get inside of. Actually says here, it extends to 91 centimeters by 213 centimeters. So really cool, essential bit of kit. Okay, next up we have a glow stick. So you've got some illumination. Keeping with the illumination theme, we have a torch which got the Polymath products logo on there. Quite cool. So this is a push button torch, or you can simply slide that down and you have it on constantly. So nice and lightweight, but definitely gets the job done. You have this, which I think is really cool. This is a emergency whistle. Very good. It is a ferro rod on the side here, and here we have the striker for the ferro rod. So I'll give that a go shortly. Neat little bit of kit. We have a nice big tea light. So obviously it's going to provide you a little bit of warmth, and also the wax can be used for a lot of things, as well as illumination. You have a compass which is on a lanyard or necklace, so you've always got a way of finding your direction, so very good. So liquid filled compass there. You have a micro towel which is really cool. So this can be used for a number of different things. Can be used as a kind of flannel, or perhaps tinder or something like that. So that's really smart, I like that. So they're really using every single ounce of space in here. So if there's space, they're filled with something useful. You have your paracord here. So I believe, yep, this is 3 meters of paracord here. So nice bright orange colour, going to allow you shelter, improvise and all sorts of things. So definitely a worthy addition. You have some Kendall mint cake. This is the chocolate covered Kendall mint cake. Kendall milk cake is known as basically survival food. If you've ever climbed a mountain and haven't had this in your bag, you're doing something wrong. So some Kendall mint cakes with some much needed energy. You have a stock cube, so you're able to get some calories in you. That's quite cool. You have some waxed jute. There's 20 sticks in here. This is amazing tinder and comes with a lot of the Polymath product kits. You have a sew-on kit with a couple of extra buttons and needles on there. Excellent for repairs. Water purification tablets. Each tablet does 1 litre of water. Exogel. So this is air transportable fuel. So ignite by holding flame to gel, shield from wind, flame may be invisible. So this is basically a fuel gel which can be used in conjunction with the stove. So with the fuel gel and the stove, you have the ability to cook, boil water and start a fire. We have some hot chocolate, so morale boost and much needed calories. I like that idea. Okay, you have a nice big wound pad. So it's very big. This is 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Premier pad, extra absorbent dressing pad. So this is part of your first aid. Here we have some pre-injection swabs. So this is basically alcohol wipes. These can be used obviously for wound cleaning or as a fire starter. You have some rehydration treatment, so this is very similar to diaurolite if you need to replace essential salts and fluids after diarrhea or sickness. Really cool little addition there. You have a wooden spatula for stirring or tinder. You have your signal mirror. Hello. Videoception. So the signalling or for first aid if you want to check something out on you that you can't see, ticks or something like that. You have a pencil, much better than a pen in a survival situation. You have your stove, which I'll have to set up shortly. You have your plastic bag, and this will actually stand up once it's full, so I like that a lot actually. I have to find out where they get them from because I want some more of them. You have 2 sheets of waterproof, stain resistant paper. I love this stuff. This is actually part of their waterproof notepad, and this stuff really works. I can swim in this stuff and it's absolutely fine. And here we have some micro pore tape. This is again part of your first aid. And that is it. So what I'll do now is I'll lay everything out so you can see everything, and we'll go through again what's included. Okay, so this is the full contents of the Polymath Products Premium Survival Kit. I've actually had to pick the camera up and move it because there's so much I can't actually get it all into shot. One thing I really should mention about this kit is it has actually been endorsed by John Lofty Wiseman. Now he is a very, very well-known name in the bushcraft and survival community. He is actually the author of the SAS Survival Guide, something which I think everyone should have a copy of. So it's been fully endorsed by him. Polymath products have worked very closely with him, and he's put his name to it. He's happy with it, and he's fully endorses it. So I think that's really cool. Obviously, legend that he is. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. And what I'll do is I'll actually set up a few of the little bits so you can kind of see how stuff works. But if you're not interested in that, I will put a link in the description below. Make sure you check out Polymath products. They are a fantastic company to deal with. Shipping is always really quick and the quality is fantastic. Any problems, give them an email, give them a shout, and they'll fix it for you. Really awesome team, British company, and they just do fantastic work. So thanks for watching. Stick around if you want to see how the stove and things work. Expect to see more of this kit in the future. I'm actually planning to do a overnighter with this kit, see if I can survive. So thanks for watching. If you're going to stick around, and if not, see you soon. Okay, so the stove simply folds up, two ends down, two ends up. You have your exo gel here, just pop it onto there and it will burn nicely. So here is your mess tin, pop it on top, rest the lid on there, and you'll have boiling water in no time. Very smart. And when you're done, simply fold it back up once it's cool and it's good to go.